So this is how to buy Gram cryptocurrency or GRAM cryptocurrency here in Canada using Robinhood. So once you open up the Robinhood app, I want you guys to go to the main screen here, down at the bottom in the middle, select the magnifying glass. Now once you guys get to the Explore page right here, it's probably easiest if you just go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol, and then type in GRAM or gram. Once it appears, select it. Then once you're on this page, you can view different stuff about it, but if this looks good to you, press on buy. Now in the top right where it says market order, you can do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in the actual crypto. I will keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. Now once you're here, type in the amount of gram crypto that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to buy $2 worth, you would type in 2 and then just press on review. Then once you're here, you can review the order so you can see how much GRAM crypto you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Gram cryptocurrency here in Canada using Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.